Fáilte Rash, welcome back to our everyday Gaeilge weekly mini lesson with Gaelscoil online, and we're going to look at how to say take your time in Irish. So this is just a handy one that you can use in many different contexts, just to say to someone take your time, take your time. You can use it with kids, co-workers, friends, etc. So take your time in Irish is tóg d'am, tóg d'am, tóg d'am. So tóg is our verb to take in Irish, and this is in the imperative, so it's given an order. So it's asking someone to take, which is just tóg, tóg, and then d'am is your time. So let's just look at a breakdown of that one. So we have do, which is your, in this context, your time, and then is time. But when they come together, we do lose the O in Irish and we get an apostrophe, so it turns into d'am. And then we don't hear that second O a lot. So it's just d'am, your time. So then we have take your time is tóg d'am. So nice and quick, and I hope that that's one that you can start using almost straight away. It's a great beginner phrase too, but it's a natural one that you can add into your day. Gura Mila Mahat, thank you so much again. If you're not subscribed to our free newsletter that you get free Irish every week, then you can do so down in the description. And we also have an everyday Gaeilge Rusty to Fluent series that's starting really soon, and that waitlist is very popular at the moment. So you can also join that waitlist down below if you would like to become fluent or very confident in everyday Irish, and you can hear about that first if you are on our waitlist, so you can do so down below. Or if you're watching this at a later date, it might already be live and you can check if it is in the description. Gurav Mila Mahad, thank you so much. Slán go fóill, bye for now, agus feici mé an teachtain se hugan hu. See you next week.